Ways to apply blur effect in Edit, Fusion, and Color Pages in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, I added 3 clips to my timeline and I want to show you many ways to apply blur to one or some clips at once, in the Edit, Color, and Fusion pages. Go to Effects panel, click on Open FX, and search for blur. Drag one of the blur effects you want into your clip. Then select your clip and in the inspector change its properties under Effects tab. This only causes the first clip to blur, but maybe you wanted to blur some clips. Clear the search box, click on Effects, drag an adjustment clip in the second track, and adjust its duration to match your clips. Once again click on Open FX and drag one of the blur effects into the adjustment clip. This time all the videos under the adjustment clip are blurred. Now move the playhead above one of your videos and go to Fusion page. Select Media in Node, press Shift plus Space, search for blur, and add a blur tool you want. Select Blur Node and in the inspector adjust its properties. Here you have the option to apply the blur only to some part of the video, and not the entire video. Just click on one of these masks to mask the blur node. Then adjust the size and position of the mask to your liking. This is only to blur one clip, but maybe you wanted to blur multiple clips at once. One way is to, like before, bring the adjustment clip again, move the playhead above it, and go to Fusion page. Another way is to select your clips, right-click, and choose New Compound Clip or choose New Fusion Clip. Now if you go to Fusion and blur your video in the same way before, all the clips will be blurred. Now move playhead above your clip again and go to Color page. From Effects panel, drag one of the blur effects you like into the node. Then adjust its settings to your liking. On the Color page too, you have the option to apply the blur only to some parts of the video. Just from Window tab click on one of the masks based on your needs. Now remove the effect, then at the bottom click on Blur tab. Select the first option, which is for adding blur, then increase radius. This was only to blur one clip. Again, maybe you wanted to blur multiple clips at once on the Color page. 2 ways is to use an adjustment clip or a compound clip like before. Another way, if you want to blur entire timeline, is that from this drop-down choose timeline. Right-click and choose Add Corrector Node. Connect greens to each other. Then increase blur in the Blur tab. This causes all the clips in timeline to get blurred.